Western society today takes for granted, especially with the advancement of the so-called hard sciences, that matter accounts for all or nearly all of what makes up reality. For example, matter exclusively explains or describes the various objects that we perceive around us. That perception in time sees, hears, tastes, smells, and touches objects that exist by filling up and moving through the spatial dimensions. Nevertheless, there is also the possibility that something other than matter exists in reality, i.e., non-matter. In other words, immaterial things, immaterial beings. So in addition to matter, non-matter may exist alongside it. Reality would not be exclusive to matter alone, but would include non-matter. It would include immaterial things. Hence, different worldviews include 1. Everything is matter. 2. Nothing is matter. And 3. There is both matter and non-matter. These possible worldviews are exhaustive. If everything is matter, there is no immaterial things, period. And we can analyze this using traditional logic. Everything is matter is a universal affirmative proposition, A. Nothing is matter is a universal negative proposition, E. Some things are matter is a particular affirmative proposition, I. Some things are not matter is a particular negative proposition, O. In traditional logic with the square of opposition, if we know, for example, that the A proposition is true, we can then think about the truth or falsity of the E, I, and O propositions. Here we have the square of opposition. In logic, two universal propositions, which are directly contrary with respect to each other, can both be false in reality, for example. So if everything is matter and nothing is matter, both are false, it would imply that some things are matter and some things are not matter are both true. Note that subcontraries can both be true, but both cannot be false. Logic is a powerful tool to organize and order our thinking, and that includes analyzing basic different worldviews. I'm the Amateur Logician from amateurlogician.com.